Alright guys, welcome. We're here, we're back, 2025. We're here with Nathan, Exocet. How you doing? Good mate, yourself? It's not your normal car at all.
Nah.
Is it a car?
Technically, yeah.
It's hard to call it a car without a roof, windows, doors.
I mean, 4 wheels.
It's got 4 wheels. But I've never been in a car that feels this way.
Yeah, that's fair. It's a different experience, that's for sure. Not really ever come down this route before with cars. But I have to say, I won't be going back. Yeah, everything else feels slow now.
Yeah. Like everything else will be really slow because this thing has a sense of speed that I've never ever felt before. Now this is the fastest one in
The world. Yeah. So an Exocet kit car. So they're made in the US, they're made in the UK. The design came from the UK originally.
Right.
And then they're also made in New Zealand now.
Because it's just a kit car that normally has a 4-cylinder or a turbo 4-cylinder.
Yeah.
That's about it.
It's an MX-5, not really, or Miata.
Decided to put a turboed LS in it.
I decided to put the LS in it, and then I missed my turbo, and so I thought I'll just get it for the noise. And
You got more than just the noise, mate.
it's kind of fast. Yeah, this weighs 905 kg with me in it. Around 600, 650 at the moment. So we're running 7 pounds of boost. It's not a hell of a lot, especially on this Bosch 1000cc injectors that are E85 safe. The largest cam that Pro Cams make. I wanted it to be high horsepower, low torque. ARP head studs, custom exhaust obviously, there's nothing really off the shelf for this. 7170 All-Star Turbo. Everything was lifted out of a VX Commodore, so it's a 5.7 LS1 alloy block. The T56 gearbox, it's unmodified, it's got a B&M short shifter, the original Commodore diff.
And a Haltech system across everything, right?
Haltech came on board as one of the sponsors. We've done a PD16, so the whole car has 2 fuses. So a Rebel ECU, UC10 dash, and then their 15 button setup as well. Every electronic component on the car runs through the Haltech.
The big wing at the back, the carbon accents, the big bonnet scoop.
Yeah.
You've made it look like a muscle car go-kart. It looks really cool.
Yeah.
This car makes you make faces and noises that men should not make. Well, dude, I'm keen to see how it's going to turn out later on in the year or later on in its life. You've done an amazing job with it so far.
Thanks, man.
And it's been really fun. Well, dude, thank you so much. And yeah, can't wait to see what you do with it next.
Yeah, bro.
Thanks, guys. See you later.